How to fix Fanatics Sportsbook not working. So the very first step, what you need to do is see if your app is on the latest version or not. So to check that, we may just go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, go to the search bar and search for the application Fanatics. After that, tap on it, and here you may see the update option, and instead of open if you need to update. What you need to do is tap on the update option and wait for it to be updated and see if that fixes your issue or not. Even if that doesn't work, what we can do is just go to the settings of your device. After going to your settings, just scroll down a bit and search for apps. After that, just search for the app Fanatics, or you may just scroll down. I'm just gonna search for it and tap on the app. After that, go to Stores. And here you can see the two options at the below, clear data and clear cache. Just tap on clear cache and see if that makes any difference or not. Even if that doesn't work, then you may just tap on clear data, which will erase all of the data that is included into the Fanatics. But since you won't have any option, you just need to tap on clear data option and reset everything again. So after that, even if that option doesn't work, then what we can do is just uninstall the app and reinstall it. To uninstall it, you may just go to the app and long press it and tap on uninstall option. After the installation is complete, just go to your Play Store and search for Fanatics again. And this time tap on install again, and I'm sure one of the methods will work onto a device that will fix the issue of the app not working. So just follow the steps and that's it. In that way, you can fix the issue that is happening onto your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.